In this video, I'm going to talk about the MPI, the Message Parsing Interface. MPI is one of the parallel computing model. What is the parallel computing? Parallel computing is a type of computation in which many calculations or the executions of processes are carried out simultaneously. There are two models, shared memory and message parsing. Shared memory is the memory accessed by multiple CPUs. The MPI model, which is multiple computers nodes interconnected by network. MPI, or Message Parsing Interface, is a standard designed by a group of researchers from academia and industrial to function as a wide variety of parallel computing architectures. It is a standard define the syntax and a core of library writing portable message parsing programs in C, C++, and Fortran. There are several well-tested and efficient implementations of MPI, many of which are open source. MPI is a computation protocol and a message parsing application programming interface. The goal of MPI are high performance, scalability, and portability. In the MPI, we are going to use program, process, processor, and basically the process is a program in execution. Distributed process among processors, which is running identical copy of program in parallel. Process 0 running on processor A and only access the local data in memory A. Process 1 running on processor B and only access the local data in memory B. Each process has its own process ID started from 0. There is a very important concept of MPI is communicator, which holds a group of processes that can communication with each other. Also, a rank is an integer to refer to a processor. You will see the rank was defined in the program. The implementations can be a vendor such as HP MPI, Intel MPI, or Scali MPI, and open source such as OpenMPI, MPI, and WAMPI. There are several implementations of the MPI are installed in RAD. Based on your requirement, you may select different module. The first one, module load OpenGCC 64.1.10.7, that is most common one. The second one, OpenMPI MLNX, that is Mellanox Infinite Band optimized OpenMPI stack. The third one is we licensed Intel MPI. Intel MPI also has different version. The default one is this 64 that refers to 2018. MPI, that is another open MPI. The last one is MPI 2 is also another implementation. Lastly, I would like to show this is the MPI official website. Within the Open MPI, this web page has some training video. For example, let's click this one. You see here has a training general information, turning, and also has a video for Slurm. You can find all the information from here. Okay, this is two major. The first one is just a standard for the define MPI. The second one is a real implementation for the Open MPI. Okay, next video I'm going to show example what it look like MPI program. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.